기다려. 기다려. 먹어. 먹어. 옳지.
I just wanted to say thank you to whoever recommended freezing a towel. Well, freezing a wet towel, because he loves it. His poor little teeth hurt so much, I think.
I can't. I went for a ride for 5 minutes, Bubba, and I asked you to watch the kitties. I come home, and you've turned into a kitty? And what's going on between you two? Why's your pawn her? Are you bribing her for some poop?
Oh, okay. Hey, cover your, no, okay. I won't cover your head. Okay. There you go. Okay. Night night.
Hello, and you know that my cat likes to go and eat the water of the shower through the shower curtain, and you've seen him do this before. There's not much new to this video, but there is some new development. The camera angle, you know, he's farther back in the bathtub, but also his feet are on the ridges of the bathtub, so he's getting...
Why are you looking at me like that? Is it my hair? What? Duke, you're freaking me out.
No, you filthy, dirty little bastard. No.
You're so evil. Shiva.
She's mad at me because I didn't give her enough attention all day. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Get it all out, sweetheart. Yeah, no, I know. I clothe you. I house you. I feed you. You ain't paying no rent. Go ahead.
To anybody that's been mean to me, if you're having a hard time in life, good.
He knows how to get it out of me. Like, if he does this every time, it's just game over.
Yeah.
I'm obviously gonna pet him for like
beat that boy with a bat. Damn.
Catch.
Холодно тебе, да, пупсик мой? Холодно.
Get Bro, there's no way! Yay!
Teddy, who got into the Lucky Charms last night? Who did it? Huh? Who did it?
Wait, I just started. I haven't even sung anything yet.
Oh, who you? How dare you?
Loki, ¿dónde que tengo que denunciarlo? Que te voy a denunciar con la autoridad.
Hi, Teddy.
Excuse me!
Zdrajsto.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
No, I just turned around and she's even. Just drop it.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
You can take a break there for about 10 minutes, Or are you on the clock? Are you on government dime there, or what? Come on, let's go for a break. That's what we're supposed to do as government workers. Come on.
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? What you looking at?
My airport to the Uber is 5 minutes away. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Seriously, Duke? Really?